What kind of CAD solution best fits today's demanding design engineer? Well, that depends on the design challenges in question. That's why SolidWorks offers 3 levels of design software. Find your best fit. If your design team is looking to improve efficiency, SolidWorks Professional is the best fit for you. SolidWorks Professional gives you all the power and ease of use of SolidWorks Standard. But it also goes further, with additional capabilities that increase productivity, ensure accuracy, and help you communicate all design information even more effectively. Let's look at some of the capabilities that set SolidWorks Professional apart. Solidworks Toolbox provides a library containing millions of standard parts, from hardware items like screws, nuts, bolts, washers, and pins, to bearings, snap rings, gears, and sprockets. Select your standard, then select the part and drag it into your assembly. This screw is automatically sized to fit the clearance hole where it's dropped, and the length can be adjusted within the available sizes for that screw. Bearings can be applied the same way, auto-sized to fit the shaft, and you can select from various width and OD combinations. Need to share data between different CAD systems? FeatureWorks makes it simple. This feature recognition tool lets you automatically or selectively transform static imported models into editable parametric parts. FeatureWorks interrogates the geometry of the model to be imported and then converts it into fully editable features. Once complete, you have full parametric control as if the part had been originally created in SolidWorks. Why spend hours rebuilding designs? With FeatureWorks, you can bring static 3D data to life. SolidWorks Costing lets you automatically generate estimates of manufacturing costs for machined and sheet metal parts. It comes with built-in templates that are easy to customize. You can enter specific manufacturing costs such as material, labor, machine speed and feeds, and setup costs. It's easy to compare different vendors, materials, and thicknesses, and see the price updated immediately. Setup costs are broken down by lot size, and individual feature costs are highlighted on screen. As changes are made to the model, such as adding more louvers, the cost is recalculated automatically. This makes it easier to understand the financial impact of design decisions and keeps your projects within budget. SolidWorks Design Checker allows you to check parts, assemblies, and drawings against your company's standards. Once the standard has been set up, you can verify design elements such as dimensioning standards, fonts, spelling, standard layers, or fully defined sketches to ensure that your SolidWorks documents meet predefined design criteria. Errors are documented in the task pane with both the actual and preferred values. Individual errors can be automatically corrected, or you can choose to auto-correct all errors in the document. If you need to perform compute-intensive tasks such as rendering, printing, updating simulation results, or even running Design Checker, you can use SolidWorks Task Scheduler to perform the job at off-peak hours to minimize the load on resources. With the Network Monitor, you can even distribute the tasks across idle machines on the network. Select the files or folders to perform the operation as often as desired, only once, or on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Task Scheduler maintains a record of the schedule with date, time, and status. eDrawings Professional lets you publish review-enabled eDrawings. Recipients can access the drawings and provide feedback using the free eDrawings viewer to mark up and measure. eDrawings Professional also supports dynamic cross-sectioning of parts or assemblies, moving of assembly components, viewing of configurations, and animator output, as well as password protection. With PhotoView 360, you can quickly create photorealistic renderings and animations without being a graphics expert. Plastics, metals, glass, and stone are just some of hundreds of appearances that can be applied to your model with a simple drag and drop. Decals or labels can be applied in the same fashion for added realism. Camera views can be set up to provide a lifelike perspective, and finally, scenes can be applied to display a realistic visual backdrop. When you are satisfied with the preview, a high-quality final rendering can be created for use in downstream applications such as marketing materials before a single part has been manufactured. These are just some of the capabilities that make SolidWorks Professional the best fit solution for thousands of design teams worldwide. Streamline your design process with SolidWorks Professional.